Hello Tagnicians, welcome to Equip ID Tag Training. Cleaning used to be for appearances. Now we're disinfecting for health and safety. Equip ID tags provide technology-assisted guidance and are used to help create a digital disinfection logbook to ensure customers and staff are in a safe environment. A digital logbook shows compliance with new regulations requiring disinfection documentation. You are an important part of this process. Before you begin cleaning each area, tap the tags with your mobile device. Select the activity you're there to perform and begin cleaning. As you clean, you may need to check off tasks to validate compliance. When you're done, complete the activity, and while your phone is out, tap the next tag. At the end of the day, all of your taps add up to show everyone that the location is safe. If you have any problems, you can get support in the app as well as online, by email, or by phone. Thank you.